Where did the 12 apostles go? After Jesus' resurrection, the 12 apostles scattered across the ancient world to spread his message. Peter went to Antioch, then Rome, crucified upside down. Andrew traveled to Scythia and Greece, crucified in Patras. James the Greater preached in Spain, martyred by sword in Jerusalem. John stayed in Ephesus, exiled to Patmos, died naturally. Philip went to Phrygia in Asia Minor, crucified upside down. Bartholomew reached Armenia and India, flayed and beheaded. Thomas preached in Persia and India, pierced by spears. Matthew spread the gospel in Ethiopia, stabbed to death. James the Less stayed in Jerusalem, thrown from the temple. Thaddeus, Jude, traveled to Syria and Mesopotamia, martyred in Beirut. Simon the Zealot preached in North Africa, killed in Persia. Matthias, who replaced Judas, went to the Caspian region, stoned and beheaded. Their message reshaped the world, and their paths still echo through history.